So as we move to the next group of problems, actually we're going to still stay in there. I just wanted to highlight some things with the next two that we'll see. Number 34 has us take V and cross it with, oh, apologize, not cross it, dot it with V cross W. Now, I could show you what V is and W is, and we could do all the work, but here's what I want you to remember. When you do the cross product of V cross W, you're getting a vector that's orthogonal to both V and W. And as such, because it's orthogonal to both V and W, we absolutely know what its cross product is. If this vector right here, V cross W, is orthogonal, then its cross product has to be 0, because the only way for it to be orthogonal is for the cosine um, of the angle to be 0, right? Because it needs to hit at 90 degrees. Then theta would be 90 degrees. If the cosine of theta is 0, remember that then the dot product would have to be 0. And so therefore we get right away zeros coming out of that thing. With number 42, let's see what's happening there. Find a vector v orthogonal to both, find a vector orthogonal to both u and w. So here's u. U is given as 2i minus 3j plus k, and w is given, as you remember before, I plus j plus 3k. So the vector that's orthogonal to both, easily found. It's the cross product. So they just want you to to reinforce, I guess they want to reinforce the fact that the cross product gives you something pretty special. It gives you a vector that's orthogonal to both. And so as we do this particular problem, we're going to get negative 3 times 3 minus 1 times 1 I minus, and then maybe I'll do this one a little bit faster, 2 times 3, 6, minus 1 times 1, 1, k. And then if we do the, oops, sorry, that's not k, that is j. And then as we go to do the k, we get 2 times 1, which is 2, minus negative 3 times 1, which is negative 3. And that gets a k on it. So what do we have out here? We have our negative 9 minus 1. We have negative 10i. We have 6 minus 1, which is 5j. And we have 2 minus negative 3, well, that's a positive 5. And that's a positive 5k. There's a vector that's orthogonal to both u and w.